What's up guys, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to make this slime for the first time.
Well, it's not the first time now.
Yeah.
It's now his second time because we made a video on my channel.
Yeah.
And he made slime for the first time.
Yeah, this is my first time, so on my channel first time, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's get into the video. So, let me tell you guys right now. So if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications, and whoever subscribes gets a shout out. Yeah.
But you have to comment down below that you guys subscribe, so he can know who wants a shout out and who doesn't.
So please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers. I need your support. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it.
Look at what you did. You left it on there.
Alright, ready? Pop right here.
Did you like this kind of slime? Watch that shit.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Can I pause it right here? Are you ready? Okay.
Yeah. Don't pause it. I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to pour in the glue or?
Yeah, I know you want the glue.
First you or me?
For whoever.
You.
So this is my first time making slime, guys.
Second.
First, on my channel.
On my channel.
And these.
Huh?
And these.
Okay.
Okay, I don't want to see against other people.
Okay, there we go. If you need a sneeze, just do this.
I don't know more.
Okay. See, I'm going to use my finger to mix it, but you could use this.
Yeah. Okay.
What's that? Yeah. And now I'm not going to tell you anymore. Just mix it.
What's in there?
I don't know. Let me see.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I can't show you guys.
I don't want to use my finger anymore. It's too sticky.
Okay.
Wait, Jake, wait. I need the... Oh, whatever. I'm just going to use this. Oh, never mind.
Right?
I'll use this.
Right?
Here we go.
I think mine not so bad.
Pick your
The outside of it.
Why?
It's itchy.
Jake, it should be like this. Look. Mix it slowly, not that much.
I know.
Don't touch it. It's just glue right now. It's only
I told you I don't know the expectations of this type of slime.
Look at Lito. In the video. She's cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back.
What are you gonna do? Oh, never mind.
There. Sorry about that. I needed to itch my nose. I don't want it. Switch to high.
Yeah. You add it. Oh, yours is getting good. Don't add a lot like in my video. Ooh. You're all trying to get it off. You're late.
It smells good.
Yeah. Only that detergent smells good. Jake, when you know it's going to be slime, it all goes out. And there's nothing in the container. It's getting there. See? Let me check if my video posted it.
Alright.
Ooh,
So can I touch it or no?
If you want to, but it's sticky.
I'm good.
Nope, it didn't post yet. Look how sticky mine is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look how sticky mine is.
Yours is not that sticky.
No.
He hates that.
No.
You hate that?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Take it out.
Look what just happened, guys. Look at that.
That's because you're not careful.
Can you take it out? Can you take it out for me? I don't know how to take it out. Please. You're gonna have to stop the video for this.
No.
I can't do this.
Oh my
guys.
god. Wait, stop. Put your hand.
What are you doing?
Rub it.
Bruh.
Just do that. So you know it's not going to come off.
How am I doing this?
You wanted to.
Oh, there you go.
There.
There you go. Do I have to wash my hands after this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because glue stinks and detergent, you can't put it in your mouth.
You're gonna have to stop the video for this.
Why?
I don't know. If I can't take this off before the video ends, then you have to do it.
play with the slime? Wait, let me get yours
I'm
better.
done with that.
If you want that to come off, you have to play with it.
This is why I don't like slime, guys.
That's because your hands are always warm.
That's it.
Give me your hand. There. There's not even anything on it. Only on the back. Okay, now I'm gonna mix this with this one. Oh, mine's sticky, No.
So I think
Mayday.
we're gonna mix it.
Yeah, I already mixed it.
Oh, did you catch it on camera?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm videoing it. Okay.
Yeah,
So
because you didn't even pause it.
Oh. Yeah. So I think it's all for today.
Wait, this is not even slime yet.
No, I'm just kidding.
You can't make it into slime. You have to
No,
press
okay,
it.
it's not the end of the video. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna make the intros because I can't do it. So
Yeah.
if I get a new SD card, then I will do it, but I can't right now.
So I was trying to do an intro on my video, and yeah, it didn't let me. I didn't have enough space.
I have to record longer than I want if I want to. So yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go outside and take out the dogs for a while.
Estamos grabando, Nana.
No, sorry. It's okay. My grandma.
Yeah, she thought we were not filming
It's okay.
anymore.
It's okay.
So just so you guys know, my dog was on the blanket, and it was my blanket that I covered myself with.
Yeah. You wanna go outside?
Where's the thing?
You wanna go outside?
No. Look, here was a slime we made first time.
You can mix it with this one. That'd be dope. Oh, she mixed it. Oh, she mixed it. Oh, damn. Oh, my Jesus.
Ooh, this feels like snow.
Let me carry him?
No, he's a fatty.
No, I'm going to show it on the camera. Look at that.
Oh my god, how are you able to carry him? My video's almost posted.
Nice.
It's 80. 80.
Oh, 80? Oh. I saw 83.
How did you see 80?
I don't know. I was over here and I was like, that's pretty.
It was probably the views.
What do you want to do now? Just get mixing.
Wait, don't look at my channel.
Send me a pause right here.
Mm-hmm.
I'll pause right here.
Hold the camera.
You can hang out with Leo, okay?
Hold the camera, but don't pause.
Okay.
Okay, so I have this slime, and I'm gonna mix some of this in here.
Ooh.
Or should I mix all of it and put it in this container?
I want all of it.
Yeah, I'll mix all of it. This slime is kind of thick. Look at this. See, look at the difference. That's been there for like 5 days.
Ooh, I caught that.
And that
Does it show the container?
really white.
Does it show the container?
A little.
There.
And mix. Ready? 1, 2. Ooh, it's like unicorn colors. It's like the hair and the ball. It looks like a mint. Oh, that looks cool. Wait, let me move all of this. Ow. Gee, I have 1,048 subs.
So I must do this one more time or not no more?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay.
Hey, look, film this.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
So, subscribe if you're new and I'll post notifications for a shout out. But just comment down below that you want a shout out. I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers, so please send your support. I'm trying.
You said that like 50 times already.
I want them to subscribe. Oh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Wait, let me do it again. Wait, ready?
That sounds like snapping or something. I would really appreciate it, please. I would really appreciate it.
It's bigger than your head.
You're mean, Mela.
I said your head.
That's small. That's small, boy.
Yeah, the bubble. Watch. That's bigger than my head, your head combined.
Oh. I really want them to subscribe.
My hands are tired.
I want them to subscribe now.
Yeah, subscribe to his channel.
Please,
so you
please.
won't miss out any other channel.
I make lit videos, so go check that out.
Not valid.
Not
but
valid.
Pretty good.
Leo.
Where is she? Oh, here she is.
What's up?
She's right here.
You're so cute.
And I'm gonna put this in the container. I actually like this color.
Yeah.
Look how much.
Yep. Yeah.
And I guess that's all for today.
Yep. So hope you enjoyed. And I might double upload today for a vlog, but I'll,
Wait, did my video post?
I did it?
I think because it doesn't say.
Yeah.
Um.
So I might double upload today for a vlog, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it.
And also just comment down below what other challenges or
Like what's in the box, or if you want us to travel, or anything like that. Anything. Yeah. Anything.
or what do you guys want to see next in one of our videos?
Yeah. So hope you enjoy it and hope you
It's
see you
95
guys.
process.
Alright.
And my tooth is falling out.
Sure?
It's the first one. Right there. Still 95 process.
And pop your hair when it uploads?
Yeah, sure.
So it's ready to
ready
watch.
to watch. And let me check my channel now. Let me go on videos. 13 seconds ago. I 1K. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And I hope to see you guys maybe today or tomorrow. Not tomorrow.
Already
Some
has one view.
some other day. Peace out, guys.
Bye.